Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my ocean slime. Here's my ocean slime. It has beads in it. It's blue with pink and purple glitter. Very stretchy. It's kind of like a crunchy slime. It's always crunchy. Watch. I love crunchy slimes. You go like this, and then go like that. Carefully, because you don't drop it. And just squeeze it. It makes so much noise. You're probably wondering, why is it called ocean slime? It has little beads in it. That was a starfish. We have fish, dolphins, octopuses, octopi. Sorry. But yeah, let's try the slime swirl. That's attempt number 1. We're gonna give it one more attempt. Now we're gonna close up the video. That is a perfect slime swirl. I've made better ones, but whatever. Well, this is my ocean slime. I'll give you guys more videos of more of my amazing slimes. My friend made this out of white glue and Stay Flow. She gave it to me for a present, and ocean slime, and now it's mine. Beautiful, stretchy slime. So, this is my ocean slime. Love you guys.